Today's tablescape theme is black and white with a touch of green. And you know I'm extra, so I had to throw in a little gold too. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, I would like to say welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you return as a family member. Let me start off by sharing what I'm going to use on today's tablescape. Starting off, I have a beautiful gold mirrored tray that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago. And atop that tray, I'm going to be using some boxwood balls, moss balls, and green moss bunnies. I have a black sequin runner that I picked up on Temu last year, DIY white carrots, and some beautiful gold and silver carrots that I picked up at Home Goods this year, black goblets, and Dollar Tree black dinnerware, beautiful placemats and chargers in gold. So sit back and relax while I put this tablescape together, and I'll meet you later at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesday, all. The weekly open collab brought to you by the ladies of Elegance. That is myself and the Grace Life DIY home decor. Today's special guest is our very own Design with Emma, a valued member of the design team here on Tablescape Tuesdays. And she's coming in with a black and white theme. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure you stop by for some black and white inspiration. hope you enjoyed today's black and white tablescape and that it gives you inspiration to use some non-traditional colors this Easter in your home. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And leave me a comment because you know I love hearing from you. If you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, well, today should be the day. It's so quick and easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply create your Tablescape video and make sure to use our hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 2024 so that we can find you and add you to the playlist. Don't forget to use YouTube etiquette. And don't forget to check out Design with Emma. Honey, she does fabulous tablescapes, decorating, shop with me's, hauls. She does it all, and you're gonna love her just as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.